Alright guys, so we are back in Egypt, but this time not to dig, but to build. So we're going to be building pyramids with Lego blocks. What do you think about this one, guys?
Well, I dare go first. Egypt, back to Egypt again, yes. So the pyramids, the pyramids are on the bank of the River Nile, basically about 16 kilometers on the outskirts of their capital city called Cairo. Now, word has it, that's a very modern term, but history tells us that the pyramids were actually built by migrant workers, that's another new terminology we use today, or slaves. So at Mark the Future, we will show you a similar method of how Al, along with invited migrant workers, along with our young builder slaves.
And new discoveries as well also show that it might have been built using sound technology with vibrations, because even today we do not have the technology to build the megalithic structures such as the pyramids, because they're too heavy to build at that angle.
Yes, you're quite right there, Matthew, because we have a similar phenomenon in the southern part of England, Stonehenge, when there was no machinery to basically move these great big boulders for miles and miles all around Europe, the Americas, North Africa, Central Asia, to build these, what we call nowadays, phenomena.
Greece around the world.